Nice box. Ooh, camo version. Very nice. So we got the mounting brackets for your head, helmet. That's the mounting bracket for the handlebar, charger, and this is the camera mounting bracket that clips on the joystick and then allows your camera to go on your head. So that'll be interesting. Can't wait to try it. Right, first things first, I'm going to check that it's fully charged. So according to the instructions, plug the charger in with the light off, plug it into the socket, and turn it on. We should get an indicator then. Yeah, that's red to show it's charging, and that's flashing to show it's charging. So we wait now for that to turn green, and it should be charged. It looks as though it's fully charged. There's got 2 clicks, and ooh, look at that. So that's on the maximum setting. That's on the less setting, and that's on the lowest setting. It's pretty impressive. Maximum, mid, lowest, and the light changes colour as well. That's neat. Hold it in for 2 flashes, then it's off. Very smart. It weighs nothing either. What does it say on the thing? It weighs, somewhere it says 76 grams. Runs 3 hours on the maximum burn time, 10 hours on the normal, 24 hours on the low, and days on the flash mode. That is very swish. Right, this is a handlebar mount. So you've got the rubber pad, zip tie, and the rubber pad that stops it sliding around. So for the purpose of the test, it's my trusty Brompton to do some commuting on. So you stick the pad on the thing, then the clamp on, and then the zip tie around there. So I'll do that now. There we are, that's all of 30 seconds. So and it's a reusable zip tie, so it'll use different size bars as well. So now to fit the light, just put it in place, press down, and there it is. That was simple. Right, now to fit it on my helmet. So what you get there is a dishwasher to go inside the helmet. That's the top bit with the clip for the joystick to go in, and 2 different bolts depending on the size of your helmet. And my trusty old gyro. So we'll see which of the bolts it needs, and go from there. So you just put the disc with the bolt through the helmet. I need the longer bolt on this helmet. So there it is attached, and you just do it up now, and away we go. Well, that was another 30-second completely painless job, and the washer in there, look, fits so snugly to the top of the helmet you won't even feel it when you're wearing it. So that's good. So the last bit is the camera bracket. So that's the bit that goes in the bottom of your camera, and that's the bit that clips on the joystick light. So let's have a look how that goes together. So for the purpose of this, I'm using my old camera, the one that I've smashed up before mountain biking. So in goes the countersunk nut into the bottom of the camera, do it up. So there it is, fixed to the bottom of the camera. I just had to use a couple of washers to space it off the camera because the bolt was too long, it was bottoming out on thread. So now let's just see how this clips on. You just put it in place. Oh, again, struggling doing it one-handed, try again. Put it in place, click, and there it is. That looks quite good. So now we're ready to fit it onto the joystick. So you undo the bolt, clamp is open, a couple of plastic bit around. So gather on, you do need a bit of rubber inside so it grips tightly. So that's that done. So now the bracket clips on it, just like so. Struggle again one-handed, there we are. Allen bolt in there. Yeah, the clamp's now tightened up. Camera clips on. Let's do it the other way around. Clip the joystick light in the helmet, and then the camera clips on the mount. Like difficult to work on it there. Job's a good one. All ready to hit the trails. And we can video at night. Yippee! There's also a rather nice lanyard which can go on the camera and through a hole in your helmet just to stop it all disappearing into the bushes. So that one's gone through a loop in the helmet, and I've attached that to the camera strap. That'll do. And then clip it together, ready to go. Here's the instrument of torture. Whee! Woohoo! And there's more! This is a bit steep here, so don't know what it'll come out like on the camera. Yippee! That's superb. Whoa. Can't beat that. You want to know what it's like in the dark? Well, here we are on the road. That's the 3 settings. Plenty enough to ride by. That's illuminating quite a distance, and there are no black rings on it. Nice even spread of light. Very impressive. There you are, happy going at 20 miles an hour. After using that light, I know why it won the all-rounder in the Mountain Biking UK magazine, What Mountain Bike Gold, and the Single Track Recommended magazine, because it's a really good lightweight LED light.